Hello everyone and welcome to SimiSTEM. In today's video, you will make Forky from the upcoming movie Toy Story 4. You will learn how to make Forky out of materials you might have around your house or even at school. You will make Forkilina as well. She is Forky's best friend, so enjoy. Here, as you can see, we have the googly eyes and they're adhesive. So let me cut it. And as you know that we will get the big one for the left side and the small one for the right side. Alright, next step to take is to open the white container. We're going to remove some red Play-Doh, and this will be the unibrow for the Forky character. The next step to take is to open this package of lipstick. It's red, so once you mark it on your thumb, it would come out to pinkish when you imprint the lipstick onto the spoon or spork. The next step to take is to make Forky his blue mouth. Next step to take is to get one pipe cleaner, and that will be the color red, so we can match the character that we have for the upcoming movie Toy Story 4. Now this one pipe cleaner, that would include his both arms, hands, and also fingers. The next item in the list is to provide Forky with the air dry clay. This will be the base for Forky, so we can insert the spoon or spork and also his popsicle feet. Here we have the popsicle sticks or tile craft sticks. These will be used for his feet. The next item in the list is to provide Forky with his rainbow on one of his feet. The next step to do is to write down Bonnie's name on Forky's feet. This is just to claim ownership that she made this toy, and this toy belongs to her, Bonnie. Now Forky is complete. You can play with Forky once you're finished with Forky. Now that we have completed Forky, the next step to do is to do Forkilina. That's Forky's best friend. So we're gonna be repeating the steps as we did with Forky. Now she is very similar to Forky, in which they use the same items. For instance, the spork, the popsicle stick, the pipe cleaner, googly eyes, Play-Doh, and much more. we are about to finish making Forkilina. The following scenes, we will experience clips from the upcoming movie Toy Story 4. We will see Forky and how he will be created by Bonnie, so enjoy.
Woody? Why am I alive?
You meet Forky!
Hi?
Hello!
Hi! Ah! I am not a toy.
You are going to help create happy memories that will last for the rest of her life.
Huh? What? Woody, aren't we going to Bonnie? Everything's gonna be okay.
In the following scenes, you will see Toy Story 4 merchandise, with the main focus, Forky, so enjoy. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to see more weekly videos. So, take care.